summer, I guess. The sunlight just soaks into her hair. But she sits next to me on the motorboat. We shyly reply as to which boy she likes at her school. Reminded of things I've forgotten, the way doors can open and people just walk in. It's not unexpected, it's just how you planned it. Beginning to think that it might never happen, but now it is happening. There's a show we can see at the base outside of town, where the planes, they turn circles in the air. I watch you stand next to me with your hand over your mouth. Join the crowd's heavy gasp, one for each time they pass overhead. Been selected, this beautiful lottery. We struggled so long, but it ended so easy. We're starting to surface, all golden and godlike. The feeling we had every day and every night, bursting in energy. The door, it is all but me.